With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. One of the biggest challenges was building the backbone of the device, something that could hold strong, even after hundreds of thousands of folds and unfolds. We also gave you 4 galactic colors to choose from: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So you can send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go. And the Galaxy Fold's Infinity Flex display gives you a powerful multimedia experience. 3-app multitasking. Yeah. Thank you. When you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. We also worked with YouTube to give Galaxy users access to YouTube Premium. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0. This means you'll be able to read data twice as fast as most other smartphones. How did we build a battery into a phone that folds right down the middle? The answer is we built 2 of them, one on each side of the device. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into a single power source. And the camera is just as flexible as the rest of the device. It's actually a system of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. The Fold will always be ready to capture the moment no matter which way you hold it or you fold it.
First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the Fold.
The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. You can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th.